If I were a superhero. If I were a superhero, I'd definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. If I were a superhero, I'd have a special powers like extra strong legs for jumping across stars. If I were a superhero, I'd save all the oceans with my secret and magic. If I were a superhero, I'd save all the trees and the mountains and rivers, the birds and the bees. If I were a superhero, I'd help all the poor, give them food and make them hungry no more. If I were a superhero, I'm sure you agree, the world will be better because of me. Find meaning. Across, from one side to other. Agree, approval of permission. Magical, special power. Exercises. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. What does the poet want to be? Answer. The poet wants to be a superhero. B. What special powers is the poet talking about? The poet is talking about extra strong legs for jumping across stars. C. What would the poet save if he was a superhero? Answer. The poet would save all the oceans if he would be a superhero. D. Would the world be a better place if the poet was a superhero? Give any two reasons. Answer. Yes, the world would be a better place if the poet was a superhero because he saved all the trees, mountains and rivers. He will help all the poor and give them food. Find their meanings. A. Outstretched, extended or stretched out. B. Special, different from what is usual. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. If I were a superhero, I'd save all the trees and the mountains and rivers, the birds and the bees. If I were a superhero, I'm sure you'll agree, the world would be better because of me. Take the correct option. A. If the poet were a superhero, he would definitely 1. Swim, 2. Fly, 3. Climb. 2. Fly. B. If the poet were a superhero, he would help 1. The poor, 2. The rich, 3. No one. 1. The poor. Match the following. Column A. Birds, snake, kangaroo, humans. Column B. Walk, jump, fly, creep. Birds, fly, snake, creep, kangaroo, jump, humans, walk. Conceptual understanding. Based on your reading of the poem, write the summary and the theme of the poem. Also, mention the special powers and features of the superhero in this poem and talk about in your notebook. You may ask for help from a teacher and parents. Let's enjoy the poem. Siblings are people who have the same parents. Siblings often look alike but also have differences. Look at the picture of siblings below and check off the two similarities they share. Freckles, blue eyes, height, curly hair, blonde hair. Communication, logical thinking. Write 4 things that you would do if you were a superhero.